Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to play Dead Cat Land and I'm going to show you that how you can get a mod for the game. This method I found it out is working for the both devices, iOS and Android. So I'm just going to open the game real quick so you can see by yourself how it looks like and what this mod does, and then I'm going to show you everything I did for myself to get it so you can learn it also you. So make sure you're gonna watch this video tutorial until the end, guys, in order to understand everything I did. Okay, so just a few seconds to connect and I will show you that this mod, guys, is going to give you unlimited coins, as you can see right over here, and I will show you immediately what you have to do. So basically, guys, before we start the whole thing, you just need to make sure you have a good connection with your internet, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. It will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and have active the mobile data so the whole process doesn't fail. So if you're not sure how to check this, I'm going to show you right now. So you just have to go to your settings and then go to general and then to background up refresh. On top you have option Wi-Fi mobile data. Okay, another thing you have to do, guys, for the iOS users only, you just have to go to your app store down here and where is automatic downloads, make sure you're gonna have it active. Okay, so if you have switch off, make sure you're gonna switch it on so the whole process to go smooth after it. So these steps I mentioned to you are just required for the iOS users. If you are Android user, you can skip that part, guys, and come over here, and all you have to do is just need to go to your internet browser. You just go and search in the searching bar about this site. It's called Find APK Mods. All right, just 1 second. Here we are, and then here you're gonna find a lot of other mods, a lot of games, guys. The latest mods I found it over here. You can check later if you're interested for something else. You can go and search in the searching bar. It's easy, and type the name of the game. Okay, press here and then install, and you just wait a couple of seconds for the whole process to be done, guys. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to get the mod, guys, same as me. So this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to support this channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.